Today's cybersecurity alert is a serious one. A critical vulnerability has been discovered in the n8n automation platform, rated CVSS 10.0, the maximum possible severity, and it's been codenamed Ni8mare by Sierra Research Labs. Hey everyone, Steven's Avatar here. Let's quickly break down what happened and what you need to do. To save you time, if your n8n version is 1.65.1 or newer, you're safe. This flaw, CVE 2026-21-858, allows attackers to take control without logging in. n8n often stores API keys and tokens. A compromise here can expose much more than n8n itself. It abuses how webhook requests are processed. A crafted request can read files and impersonate an admin's. All n8n versions up to and including 1.65.0 are vulnerable. Many servers still run these. To check your version, open n8n, click Help, then About n8n. Your version number appears at the top. If you're using Docker, run the command shown on screen. If you're on 1.65.0 or below, update immediately. If this helped, or if you were affected, leave a comment or share it. Stay safe.